So today I'm going to be installing here inside this bumper this 22-inch amber light bar. So this is the parts that come in the box here. You have the 22-inch amber light bar. It has 480 watts. This is nice. You can kind of see in there. This is a triple row of lights. It has 160 LED chips in there. It's going to give it a lot of brightness. And you get the wiring harness here. Not all the lights come with the wiring, so if you're getting one for the first time and you need the wiring, I would highly recommend you look into it. This one here, this one does. These are the brackets here that are adjustable. And let's get this installed onto the truck. Okay, you're going to see the wiring right here for the light bar. It just comes up. I hook this right up to the positive, and then the negative one I hooked right up over here where I had the negative grounded. All right, this is here what the final product looks like. Okay, here you can see the difference without the light bar, and with the light bar you can see so much more. This light bar is exceptionally good in the country, in foggy situations, and snowstorms as well. Here you can see the difference of regular headlights. This is with my fog lights on, and now with the light bar going on. See how much more you can see. And here I want to show you what it looks like from the front when it lights up. And kind of give you a perspective here. With this setup, I feel way more comfortable going out there and doing some off-roading on those trails. So if you're looking for a light bar for your vehicle, check this one out.